Okay, let's talk about the Forms Builder area. In this area, you can search your forms by their name. You can also filter the forms. So if you have a whole bunch in here, you can filter these by their names, either going ascending or descending. You can also filter by their form ID. Every single form that you will build in this system will have a form ID. So you can use that way to filter as well, ascending or descending. You can also filter them by their status. So you may have some that are not published, and those would show up here, and you could filter that here as well. If you want to edit a particular form, you can either click on the edit button or you can click on the form name. Either of those will get you directly into the edit area. If you click on this little caret here, you can copy this form or you can delete it. So when you copy it, and it'll ask you where you want to put it, and so you put it within your account here, and it will, and then you can go in and you can edit it and change the information there. Once you have a whole bunch in here also, you will have more than one page. And so what you would do is click on, obviously the caret to go to the next page. Double carets would take you to the end. Double carets on this side would bring you back to the very beginning. If you're ready to create a new form, so you don't want to use anything that you already have to duplicate, you can simply click on this green button up here and it will take you to the new form creation. And that is the Form Builder area. And we will talk about all of the other stuff in other videos.